Okay, well we're going to try another set of padlocks. There's another group of padlocks here, brand spanking new, off the rack. Ski's still mounted. We're going to give them a whirl here. We're going to try and videotape this again, so bear with me a second here while I turn this to my machine. Figure out where my bloody machine is. Here we go. Oh, right this way. Ah, we're going to move it over this way. There we go. Whoa, don't fall on me, damn camera. Okay. Well, you can see it, and hopefully you can see me, and hopefully it doesn't fall over. I'm going to first undo the packet of these keys. Just clipped onto the little master thing with a little ugly looking plastic thing. We'll take one of the padlocks off of the box. Okay, original key seems to work okay. Alright. Good. New key. The customer wants 10 copies of this key. I know my machine's working properly because I've already cut a bunch. Grab a couple of key links. Stick it in my machine. Make sure it's all lined up correctly. Figure out why my power has come off. Switch my power off. There we go, power back on. Here we go. Now let's see what the consistency of the new key is in the padlock. Remember the first lot we did, cut 20 keys for this customer. Keys wouldn't work. Oh, that's not bad, that might work pretty good. Let's see if it works in a second padlock. Oh, look at that. Dicky padlocks. Yep, see now it turned that time. And now it'll work consistently. So that's all the people going to Ace Hardware, Home Depot, after they buy their padlock, realising they need another half a dozen keys, or 10 keys, or 2 keys, or whatever it is, and the keys they get don't work. They go back 3 or 4 times, it costs you a fortune. Well, take the original out of here. Original works fine. Pull the original back out. The copy that I made. Stick it in. Oh look, now it's working. Close the padlock. Works. Didn't work a second ago, did it? Works in 2 of the padlocks. Let's see if it works in the 3rd one. Straight out of the packet. It does. Okay. So there's one. We've copied one. Let's see if we get some consistency going now. We know our key works. We'll stick the original key back in the machine. Key link. Now these are standard original master M1 key links. Master brand. Random padlock. You know my machine's quite good. Random padlock. Yep. Random padlock. We know it's working good. So at least I'm doing it right. I'm going to cut one more, see if it don't screw it up. Not much to cutting a key. People who think it's fancy rocket science stuff, but it ain't. Ooh, that one was a little bit dicky, but it worked. Try it in the second padlock. Yep, she works nice. 3rd padlock. Perfect. Having some success. Bye.